Jake Fugit here, coming at you with another Smartland commercial blog. Today, we're talking about updating your waiting room. Apart from the exterior of your building, the waiting room is going to be a patient's first experience with your practice, your staff, and your overall branding. So if you have an out-of-date waiting room, we have a few ideas of how to give it a makeover. Number 1, update your reception area. When a patient walks in, it comes up to faded floral wallpaper, out-of-date countertops, and cluttered desks. They're going to sit down with some real concerns about what kind of treatment they're about to receive. An antiquated reception area suggests that the clinic itself might not be up to date on all of its techniques and equipment. To remedy this, a remodeled reception area can give a facelift to a very visible part of your dental practice. This can include wood paneling, brand new countertops, and custom design-built reception desks. This will look great, and it can add flow and smoothness to your office. Waiting for appointments isn't fun. And for a lot of people, waiting for dental appointments can be especially uncomfortable. This feeling will only be amplified if they walk in and see rows of hard, sterile dental chairs waiting for them. When remodeling your waiting area, remember that along with practicality, your furniture should also be comfy, and it should be an area that you yourself would want to wait in. Number 3, design a new layout. Rows of chairs are so outdated. If your space permits it, consider arranging your furniture into sections to accommodate different patients. One area could have toys, books, and child-sized furniture for the kids to play. Another could be a workstation for patients who are missing work to come to their dentist appointment. You could set up a desk with newspaper and magazines for people who like to read, and also adding a TV with just the news or movie can make a great addition to your waiting area. Make your dental office a place people are excited to go to. Free Wi-Fi should be a standard across all waiting rooms. Consider adding a snack bar for your patients. Also, putting toothpaste, mouthwash, and floss in your restrooms for patients to clean up before an appointment can make a great experience for you and your patients. Thank you all so much for watching. Feel free to continue reading down below. Also, remember to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For Smartland Commercial Contractors, this is Jake Fugit.